Hey there, fellow travelers. Today we're diving into how to fly like a pro from Bangladesh. Whether you're a first timer or a seasoned traveler, these tips will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Master the check-in process. Beat the crowds by checking in online up to 48 hours before your flight. If that's not possible, arrive at the airport at least 3 hours early for international flights. Pro move. Keep your documents easy. Tip number 2. Pack smart, pack light. Stick to the essentials and use packing cubes to stay organized. Remember, most airlines flying from Bangladesh allow one carry-on and one personal item. Pro hack. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space and reduce wrinkles. Tip number 3. Navigate security like a boss. Wear slip-on shoes and keep your liquids and electronics easily accessible. Pro tip. Bring an empty water bottle to refill after security. Staying hydrated is key for long flights. Tip 4. Make the most of your layover. Many flights from Bangladesh have layovers. Use this time wisely. Stretch your legs, grab a bite, or even shower at airport lounges. Pro move. Download airline apps to stay updated on any gate changes or delays. Tip 5. Comfort is king on long flights. Bring a neck pillow, eye mask, and noise-canceling headphones. Wear comfortable layered clothing. Pro secret. Book an aisle seat for easy access to stretch and use the restroom. There you have it. 5 pro tips to elevate your flying experience from Bangladesh. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.